don't know about you, but it's absolutely freezing outside where I live and everything is covered in snow. When it's cold, I lose all sense of motivation. But you know what? Not this year. We're gonna do better. I've got some tips that'll help you look more stylish during the winter. So let's get into it. Tip number 1, rotate base layers. And what I mean by that is take staple comfy pieces and rotate them. My holy grail in the winter are leggings and turtlenecks. So I like to use that as a base layer and then just rotate different jackets on top of them. And it can totally change the look of your outfit. You can take just like a simple, boring outfit and add a little pizzazz to it. By changing the different textures of your jackets, colors, it totally makes your outfit look so different even though you're rotating the same basics under it. Another tip I have for you is thrift your jackets. Majority of my jacket collection is thrifted, and you honestly can find so many good statement jackets and also staple pieces as well. But I've always had good luck finding faux fur jackets at the thrift store. They honestly keep you warm. Here's what we're not going to do. We are not going to look stylish, but also freeze our butts off. I'm not about freezing or being uncomfortable. We're not going to be miserable. So let's start with that. By rotating different jackets on top of your basics, you can literally have so many different outfits rotating with only one simple base layer. It's very easy. You don't really have to think much about it. It's comfortable. It's warm. I also think it's a very foolproof way of styling when you pair staple pieces together and just really basic pieces and then add a statement jacket. It just makes it pop. I also think that sticking with one solid color for your basics, the monochromatic look for your basics, can really elevate your overall look, and it can be way easier to style and you just look more put together. Tip number 2, invest in insulated tights. You know how you see those Pinterest girls or those girls on Instagram and they're walking around wearing cute little tights and a skirt in like 0-degree weather? It's because their tights are insulated. I got these tights from Amazon and it was the best purchase ever because you can still wear skirts in the winter and not be miserable. You won't be freezing. They're so warm. You can honestly even wear these under jeans just to add a little bit more warmth if you're going to be out all day in the cold weather. And I also think that tights add some texture and interest into your outfit. The sheerness of it looks like it could be skin, but it's actually fuzzy and insulated inside. So definitely get some insulated tights. Tip number 3 is have fun with your accessories, but also make it practical. Adding a scarf or a hat to an outfit can totally elevate your outfit and make it look just a little bit more interesting, but it's also practical. You're staying warm. I also really love to add earmuffs to my winter outfits because they're just honestly, they're so cute and you just feel like a little fairy princess. So it definitely serves a purpose to cover your ears, keep you warm in a cute way. You can also style scarves in so many different ways. You can pair it with so many different things and it just still keeps you warm, serves a purpose, and also makes you look stylish. You can also have fun with other accessories like sunglasses, and also you could have fun with wearing different colored gloves or different textures. I mean, the possibilities are endless and you can take a really boring outfit and just elevate it that much more with different accessories. Now, this next tip might be pretty obvious, but layering is going to be your best friend. Layering can take an outfit and just make it so much better, make it way more interesting. Your eye is going to catch so many different textures to your outfit, but it also serves a purpose to keep you warm. You can layer long sleeves under sweaters. You can layer t-shirts under sweaters. Something I really like to do is also layer button-up shirts under sweaters, and then also you can add like a little silk scarf. You don't always have to just pair your outfits with the practical warm scarves. You can also think outside the box and pair it with like a little silk scarf or something like that. It just makes your outfit look that more elevated. And my 4th tip is don't forget to be creative. Find different ways to wear your accessories or find different ways to layer your outfits, like layering a sweater on top of your jacket or laying a sweater on top of a sweater. It just adds that much more interest to your wardrobe, and it can take a basic outfit and make it look so chic and stylish. Now, if you live in a place where it's cold during the winter, it can get a little sad. It's dark, gloomy, cold, uncomfortable. So don't forget to add a little color to your wardrobe. I love a good statement. You guys know this about me. I am in my color era. I love a good color, and it just makes your basic outfit fun. And then also on top of that, you can add different textures and prints to your wardrobe to make it look just like a little bit more interesting rather than just an all black outfit or an all basics outfit. Adding a little statement can totally just make your day and make it a little bit less gloomy during the winter months, because honestly, it can get really sad. And I just feel like bright colors bring joy. And then my next tip is invest in a good pair of boots. Boots really shine during the winter. That is the time to wear them. And I think boots can make an outfit look so stylish. And you definitely want to cover the dogs. You don't want your dogs out in the cold. And boots come in so many different shapes and styles, and they can definitely change the look of your outfit. I've honestly thrifted some of my favorite boots, and so definitely go out, get you some cute boots. I just feel that boots make an outfit look so chic and stylish. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that my tips have helped you in some way look a bit more stylish during the winter. I highly recommend just having fun. Don't try and put yourself in a box or put yourself in an aesthetic. I feel like currently everyone is obsessed with aesthetics and trying to fit certain styles into different boxes, and just experiment. You can appreciate trends without following them to a T. Go out and thrift some pieces. You don't have to always buy things to add to your wardrobe. You can also work with pieces that you have and think of different ways to wear them. I really hope you enjoyed this video and you learned some new ways on how to look stylish during the winter. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.